wanna see the light.
Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel, or if you're new, welcome. Thank you so much for subscribing, and I hope you are enjoying my videos. Today I'll be doing a car interior cleaning and detailing video, and hopefully give you some hacks, tricks or tips along the way. Alright, let's get into it. So as you can see, the car's not really messy, it's just really dusty and dirty. So I'm going to get in, give it a good clean and a detail, and make sure it looks brand new again. So when I'm cleaning the car out, I always start from the back and work my way through to the front. So what I'm going to do is just move the front seats forward as much as they will go. That way it'll give me some room in the back to get it cleaned up. This Meguiar's No Smear glass cleaner, you gotta try it. It just smells so nice. I've never smelled a glass cleaner so nice as this. So I've got two cloths. I use one when I spray it down to wipe it down. Then I use the second one just to pick up anything that the first one may have left behind. Now I've vacuumed up the top here, I'm just getting this Worth Active Clean, putting it on the microfiber cloth and just wiping it over all the hard plastic, and it'll help it make it look like new again. Now I'm going to vacuum the seats, the doors and the backs of the front seats down to remove all the dust that I can possibly remove with the vacuum, and making sure that I get into all the creases as well. Now it's time to get the Worth Active Clean again and just go over all the hard plastic, the leather, and just give it a good clean. So tell me, are you a person who has to clean their car every weekend, or are you more laid back and just clean it when it needs to be cleaned? Let me know down in the comments.
Sometimes when you're here, I can feel no doubt.
Once I've cleaned the door handle and the little section where the switch is to wind down the window, I do go over it with glass cleaner, because you'll find that the glass cleaner will just leave it extra shiny.
It doesn't really matter. It doesn't really matter, 'cause you're here with me now. It doesn't really matter, 'cause I feel so free now.
I must say, just look at how this Active Clean makes this hard plastic look brand new.
'Cause you keep me where the stars are bright. It doesn't really matter.
I got asked why don't I vacuum out the whole car at once? Well, one, you have to vacuum the seats out so you can clean them down. If you vacuum out when you clean the seats, then when you get back in and out of the car, you're going to drag dirt in. All those vacuum lines are going to be all messed up with stuff all over them again because you've been stepping in and out of the car. So tell me down below, do you vacuum the car out all at once or do you do it in sections like me? Now look how shiny they are now. Now the back is done, it's time to do the front, so I'm just getting the seats and moving them back as far as I can and just leaning them back so when I clean them I can get in between the top and the bottom of the seat. I run out of my Meguiar's glass cleaner, so I'm now using Eagle One, which has a slight mint smell to it. So now I'm going to vacuum everything down and try and get as much dust off it before I start cleaning with the Wurth Active Clean.
Watching it end again and again. I feel it in waves, you follow me, drifting to places I should leave. So close to the edge of something so perfect. We were too scared to take the leap. I'm missing the way we used to be. Let me go.
When I'm cleaning the windows, I wind the windows down a bit and clean on both sides as well as the top. So when you get in the car and you wind the window down, you're not left with that dirty line along the top. And once that's done, I wind the window up and finish cleaning the rest of it.
Try to forget all that we had. I'm rolling like water in the sea. The memories crashing into me. So close to the edge of something so worth it. You had the world right at your feet. It almost is all we'll ever be. We can't get any
So again, I'm just using some glass cleaner to go over this area to make it nice and shiny and looking like new.
Can't find a reason why. Couldn't get any closer. Can't find a reason why. Couldn't get any closer. Can't find a reason why. We can't
I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have, make sure you give it a thumbs up, and if you need some more motivation, check out one of these videos. See you in the next one.